Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Varo with the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Varo account with the NerdWallet app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, in order to do so, first what you're going to do is log on to the NerdWallet app. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, click on the three lines. From here, click on Financial Info, then click on Linked Financial Institutions. Next, click on Add Your First Account, and then it's going to ask you to accept some terms and services. So accept those terms, then click on Continue as Guest, and then go ahead and find Varo. So Varo is located on the left-hand side, so click on Varo, and then it's going to ask you to log into the Varo bank. Once you log into the Varo bank, it's going to select you're going to be able to select which accounts you want to be connected with the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Varo bank to the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.